As we talked in the last video, for using V2Ray, we need to set up V2Ray client side and V2Ray server side. Today we are going to talk about what apps you can use for this. So, let's start video. Client side meaning your mobile devices, PCs. These are the client side apps for different platforms. Server side meaning usually VPS server. Linux is main OS in VPS server. So, for Linux OSs like Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, you can use XUI software. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Put comments on the video. Like and share this video.